Hello friends, the virtual tour of Grand Canyon we already have done from the desktop view. But now I want to tell you that how we can go from Google Earth. So I had typed here the Grand Canyon and now here we are going to the place. You can see the rocks. Well, all amazing facts related to Grand Canyon I already have discussed in my previous video, what I will give you in the description. Now you can see here are some of the pictures which are already here of Grand Canyon. So before we go to the street views, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel for more informative videos in future. So I am going to click on this blue line for getting the street views. You can see the beautiful 3D views as well from the Google Earth. Now we are right now in Grand Canyon. You can see friends, it's Colorado River which runs through the Grand Canyon. The Colorado River is almost 2,334 kilometers long. Grand Canyon is 277 miles long. It's 18 miles wide and 6,000 feet deep almost. You can see the rocks all around the Grand Canyon. It is showing the top view of this amazing place. You can see the cuts by the Colorado River as well. You can see the beautiful rocks from the top view of the Grand Canyon. They look really so beautiful. Almost every type of rocks are found here. You can find here igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks or metamorphic rocks. You can see the small spheres and the blue line. You can go to them and have a beautiful visit, a beautiful tour of this place. You know what? Almost 59 million people from all over the world visit this amazing place in Arizona, USA every year. People go there, they take the tours of this amazing place, they enjoy the beauty of the rivers, they enjoy the beauty of the waterfalls. Almost 1,000 caves are here. They do their researches and so much more. Rocks of Grand Canyon are million or billion years old. So this is an amazing old landform located in Arizona, USA. If you like this information, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more informative videos in future. Thank you for watching this video.